Listen, if your mornings feel like a battle, if you hit snooze 10 times, if you wake up tired, late, stressed, and promise yourself you'll fix it tomorrow, but tomorrow looks exactly the same, then this video is for you. Because I used to be the same student, always exhausted, always behind on assignments, always studying at night because mornings were chaos. And then I discovered a weird system, a morning routine without an alarm. No motivational nonsense. No wake up at 5 a.m. scams. A real, practical habit built for students who hate mornings. And this one change didn't just fix my sleep. It fixed my grades, focus, and mood faster than anything else I'd tried. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build the same system starting tonight. Let's be honest, you don't hate mornings. You hate how you feel in the morning. Heavy head, zero motivation, brain still half asleep. And here's the science behind that. Your brain has something called a sleep-wake timer, your circadian rhythm. If you sleep late, scroll till 3 a.m., wake up shocked by your alarm, your brain wakes up in sleep inertia. That foggy, dizzy, slow motion feeling, that's your brain still asleep. And when you force yourself up with a loud alarm, you're not building discipline, you're fighting your biology. That's why you crash later, why you procrastinate, why your day feels messy before it even starts. So the no-alarm morning hack isn't about waking up earlier. It's about training your brain so your body wakes up on its own, calm, clear, ready. And here's exactly how I did it. Your morning doesn't start in the morning. It starts the night before. Most students think they have a morning problem. They don't. They have a night problem. Here's the rule that changed everything. You don't control your wake-up time. You control your sleep-down time. Step 1. Pick a realistic sleep time. Not perfect, not aesthetic, just 10 to 15 minutes earlier than your current time. That's it. No drastic change. Step 2. Create a shutdown trigger. For me, it was this. Laptop closed, notes stacked, light turned off, phone away from bed. Same actions, same order, every night. Your brain learns these steps equal day is over. It reduces mental noise. It stops the one more video, one more scroll. Step 3, protect the last 20 minutes before sleep. No screens, no stress conversations, no studying, just quiet. Because when your brain sleeps cleaner, you wake up lighter. And once I fixed my nights, something unexpected happened. I started waking up before the alarm, calm, natural, no shock. That's when the real hack began. The goal is not waking up early. The goal is waking up without fighting yourself. Here's the morning system. Place your alarm across the room, but set it 10 minutes later than when you expect to wake up. Now your brain has a choice. Wake up naturally or wait for the alarm. Most days, you'll wake up slightly before it. And when that happens, do not move fast. Do not grab your phone. Just sit up. 2 slow breaths. You're teaching your brain waking up feels calm, not painful. Open curtains, turn on a soft light. Light tells your brain, shift into daytime mode. You don't need motivation, you just need biology on your side. No workouts, no journaling rituals, just one small action you repeat every morning. Mine was drink water, wash face, sit at desk. Same order, no thinking. This kills decision fatigue. Your brain runs on autopilot. And when your morning starts clean, your day follows the same pattern. Here's where it gets interesting. When I fixed my mornings, I thought I'd just feel less tired, but something else changed. My focus improved. My assignments felt easier. I stopped procrastinating as much. Why? Because consistency is not a motivation problem, it's a state of mind problem. Mornings set your mental tone for the day. Stressful morning equals chaotic brain. Calm morning equals focused brain. And students underestimate one thing. You don't need more hours. You need better quality hours.
Those first 60 to 90 minutes in the morning, they are your highest focus window. Once I used them for reviewing notes, light reading, planning assignments, my grades went up, not because I studied more, but because I studied better. Let me be real with you. You won't execute this perfectly. Some nights you'll sleep late. Some mornings you'll oversleep. Some days will collapse. And that is normal. You are not broken. You are a student fighting burnout, pressure, and self-doubt. Here's the rule. Never aim for perfection. Aim for reset. If you mess up, don't start tomorrow. Reset the same day. Do the shutdown trigger. Protect your night. The routine will come back faster than you think. Because real progress isn't dramatic. It's boring, quiet, unseen. But one day, you wake up and realize you're calmer, more disciplined, more in control of your life than before. And that feeling, it's powerful. Before this video ends, here's your simple starter checklist. Tonight, choose a realistic sleep time. Set a shutdown trigger. Protect the last 20 minutes. No screens. Tomorrow morning, light first. 60-second starter habit, and no phone until step is complete. Repeat for 7 days. Not perfect, just consistent enough. And watch how your mornings and your grades begin to shift. If no one has told you this recently, you are not lazy. You are tired, overwhelmed, and trying your best. And sometimes, all you need is one habit that brings your life back into alignment. The no-alarm morning system did that for me, and it can do it for you too if you commit. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another student who needs this, because small habits can change entire futures. I'll see you in the next one.